how to add Digicoin token to metamask. So before we start, go and find this token in Digicoin, as you can see. Now to be able to add this token, it's quite different from other wallets. So in order to add this token, because this token it's under the Solana network, now any token that came under the Solana network, it's hard to add it to metamask, because metamask it's not support Solana, but you need first to add Solana network to metamask. Now after you add Solana network to metamask, what you need to do, you can go to Radium, go and click on this link. As you can see, expand this to be able to go to Radium. Now, so this is not, I will just type Radium here. Now what you need to do first, just open the Radium, and we need to add it from here. So what you need to do, I will disconnect my wallet. Now what you need to do, select the wallet. As you can see, after you add this Solana network on your metamask, you will see this little icon of Solana network under the metamask logo or icon. Now click on metamask, as you can see. To be able to add this, as you can see, click on continue. Now this solve layer pop-up will appear here. Now after that, click on connect. And now as you can see, so open this Solana wallet here, and as you can see here, you can buy this token here. So you will not be able to add it, and you don't need to add it to your wallet. You can buy it from there directly. So what you need to do is just click on swap from here and switch from here, and as you can see, click on here and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token. Sorry guys, I will go back, copy the token address from here, and I will just paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token here. It will appear Digicoin. So wait a few seconds. This is it. Now click on it, and here you will buy it. So you don't need to add it to your wallet. So we will buy it under the metamask wallet. So this is how to add the Digicoin token on metamask. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.